Hello, my dear friends. Previously, I have explained the mechanism of chip formation. Now, this is a continuation part of this previous lecture. So, build a wedge formation. So, this is an instructional objective: build a wedge formation, cause, type, and effect, orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting, machining chip types and condition, chip formation, and drilling and milling. Build a wedge formation. What is the cause? In machining ductile material like steel with a long chip tool contact length, lots of stress and temperature develop in the secondary deformation zone at the chip tool interface. Under such high stress and temperature in between to clean surface of metal, strong bonding may locally take place due to adhesion similar to welding. Such bonding will be encouraged and accelerate if the chip tool material have mutually affinity or solubility. The weldment start forming as an embryo at the most favorable location and thus gradually goes, which is schematically shown in this figure. This is a cutting strain. This same of build up is formation. This to this is the build up edge. Okay. So what is the characteristic of BUE? Build up edge are characterized by its shape and it depends upon work tool material, stress and temperature, that's mean cutting velocity and feed, cutting fluid application, governing cooling and lubrication, positive OS, this is negative OS and this is flat wave. This is the three types of form when build up edge is formed. In machining too soft and ductile metal by tool like high speed steel or uncoated carbide, this type of form is generated. This uneven surface is generated. If you see that, this is not a desired product. So role of cutting velocity and feed on BUE formation. While the major part of the detached BUE goes away along the fallen chip, a small part of the BUE may remain stuck on the machine surface and spoil the surface finish. BUE formation needs certain level of temperature at the interface depending upon the mutual affinity of the work tool material. With the increase in VC and H0, the cutting temperature rise and favor BUE formation. But if VC is raised to high beyond certain limit, BUE will be swash out by the falling chip before the BUE grow. Next figure actually shows schematically the role of increasing VC and H0 of BUE formation. So this is the cutting velocity and this is the size of BUE. If velocity is increased, BUE obviously decrease. Effect of BUE formation. It unfavorably change the rectangle. Repeated formation of dislodgement, the BUE cause fluctuation in the cutting force. Job and this is very harmful for tool and the job and machine tool also. Surface finish get deteriorated. May reduce the tool life also. So many disadvantages if BUE is formed. So type of chip and the condition for formation those chip. That means in this chart, if you see that when which type of chip is formed and when build up edge is formed actually. Different types of chip, various size and shape, color produced by the machining operation, types of cut, continuous, turning, boring, work brittle or ductile, cutting tool geometry, rake and cutting tool, level of cutting velocity and feed, low, medium, high, continuous type, discontinuous type, irregular size and shape, work material brittle, regular size and shape, work material ductile, feed large, tool rake negative, cutting tool absent, etc. Without build up edge, work material is ductile, cutting velocity is high, feed is low, rake angle is positive, cutting fluid is both cooling and lubricating. With BUE, that means build up edge form when work material is ductile, cutting velocity medium, feed is medium, cutting fluid is inadequate or absent, a joint or segmented chip, work material is semi-ductile, cutting velocity is low, feed is medium, tool rake is negative, cutting fluid is absent. So this is a chart. So thank you. This is all about build up edge formation, and I describe all these things. If you have any queries, feel free, call me or mail me. Thank you.